Welcome to another Kevin's English Schools video. Please like, subscribe and comment if you haven't yet. Have you ever wondered about the difference between what do you do and what are you doing? Well, you're not alone. These two phrases, while seemingly similar, carry different meanings and are used in distinct contexts in the English language. The subtle variation in their usage can sometimes be a bit of a puzzle, especially if you're new to the language. But don't worry, we're here to decipher it for you. Stay tuned as we delve into the unique uses and meanings of these two common English phrases. First, we will explore the phrase, "What do you do?" This common question is often asked to understand someone's profession or regular activities. It's like asking, "How do you spend your time?" or "What's your job?" Let's look at some examples. If you meet someone at a party, you might ask, "What do you do?" They could answer, "I'm a teacher." This tells you that their job is teaching. Let's take another example. If you're curious about someone's hobbies, you can ask, "What do you do in your free time?" They might respond, "I like to read." This tells you that they enjoy reading when they're not working or studying. So you see, "What do you do?" is a versatile phrase. It can give you a glimpse into someone's work life or personal interests. "What do you do?" is a great way to learn about someone's job or hobbies. But what about "What are you doing?" Now let's turn our attention to "What are you doing?" This phrase is used to ask about someone's current action or activity. It's about the here and now, the present moment. For example, if you walk into the kitchen and see your friend standing by the stove, you might ask, "What are you doing?" And they might respond, "I'm cooking dinner." You see, "What are you doing?" is a way to inquire about what's happening in the immediate present. Another example could be if you walk into a room and see your friend laughing at the television screen. You might ask, "What are you doing?" And they would likely respond, "I'm watching a funny movie." So you see, "What are you doing?" is a question about the present moment, unlike "What do you do?" which is more about a general routine or profession. To round up our discussion, let's quickly revisit our key takeaways. What do you do is a question regarding one's profession or general activities. It's about the big picture, the routine. On the other hand, "What are you doing?" is all about the here and now, this very moment. It's a snapshot, a glimpse into your present activity. Remember, context is everything in language. Now you know the difference between "what do you do" and "what are you doing?" Keep practicing these phrases in your English conversations.